Picture-perfect beaches, postcard-worthy sunsets and pristine blue waters. Rameshwaram is nature at its finest. But did you know that it's also one of the few places in the country with a thriving water sports scene? As someone who loves adventure and is a complete water baby, Rameshwaram is a no-brainer for me. And since the drive from Madurai is the one to look forward to, what better way to combine my passion for the roads with my love for water sports than by driving there in this, the Renault Kiger. With the amount of time I spend out on the road, superior comfort and nifty features are definitely a priority. And here in this cabin, I've got both. My life takes me to a lot of places. And while comfort is important, I also need power-packed performance along with the ease of an automatic transmission. And once again, the Renault Kigers got me covered. Be it in the city or the open highways, I've got an engaging driving experience on offer and it's all backed up by some intelligent tech. With a high-riding SUV like this, I can go wherever the road takes me and then keep going even after the road ends. Well, I'm finally here in Rameshwaram and I must say the drive here was an absolute breeze and super refreshing. But I'm here for one thing and one thing only: water sports. Hey Jan,
Hey.
It's been so long.
Not long enough, Audi.
Not long enough, of course.
Let's get you checked in.
Check-in can wait. How about we head to the beach and catch the sunset?
Why not? Let's go.
Let's go. Can't wait for tomorrow.
Sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want.
Being out in the ocean is a thrill and I'm really looking forward to today. But here in the car, safety is more than a priority, it's a necessity and the Kiger doesn't disappoint.
I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know. It's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah, we go. I found my flow right on time.
Coming to a beautiful place like this and having such a thrilling experience was the perfect break I needed. Equally thrilling though was my time with this SUV that's as eager to chase new horizons as I am.